Hi guys, today we are flying these, see these Hot Wheels cars, through the Mega Ramp. It's going to land in here with an epic jump which you're going to put in slow-mo. These are mine. Green screen car, useless guy, blue fire or waterfall. This is
the wire guy, this is Pterodactyl, this is Speedy, and this is the Velociraptor.
Nice! He'd be spitting bars though. Anyways, let's start with this green screen car. Jude, you ready?
Yup. On your command.
Go! Ooh!
That was kind of cool.
That went in.
Wait a second. Did it dent my thing?
Nope.
Well, I hope it didn't.
No, Jude, it's yours. Let's see who can get
I'm going to have to go with the
fire.
fast one. Come on, dude.
Ooh, Velociraptor.
Run like the wind.
Go.
Does that count?
Where is it?
It's the... Oh, it just
No,
moved.
you got to do that again, mate.
Okay. Okay, let's try that again. 3, 2, 1, run like the wind breath.
Ooh. Nah, that didn't count. Just leave it now.
Okay, let's just say that.
Let's do waterfall. Waterfall or blue fire. You ready?
I vote. Guys, put in the comments below if you vote waterfall or blue fire for this car.
Go.
Oh no, the truck broke. Damn it.
I would say...
Well,
Nah, that didn't count.
Nah.
That
Should
didn't
we redo that?
Nah.
Okay, I'm going to do Speedy next.
Do speeders. Oh. Go.
Ready? Whee.
Oh, the truck broke. I'm going to
Okay.
get speedy.
Just give
You
us a
guys see him?
second.
There he is.
Okay, we're going to have to get that now. Would this truck just stay?
Right.
Yeah, it stayed.
Jude, you ready?
Go on, Speedy.
Go. Nice. That counts. Right. Now it's my turn. Use the sky. It's a Ford, I think.
Yep. I think it's a... It says Morrison's on it.
You ready?
Shell.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's still
Did you guys
made
see
it.
that? That's going in
The
slow-mo.
useless one just ran down.
We're going to have to put that in slow-mo, aren't we?
Super duper slow mo, you know?
Yeah. You ready? Alright, now it's Jude's turn.
Pterodactyl.
I'm going to stay here.
Stay here.
Go. Did you
Oh,
see
the
that?
track. Yo, it happened when the track happened. So.
Ooh. Alright, let's do that one more time.
Okay.
This is Jude's one, which he likes really a lot. I think it's his favourite. Hey, Jude, what is your favourite?
My favourite one is the Velociraptor.
Nice. Mine is probably blue fire or waterfall. Now this is Wire Guy. He is really good. You ready? Go.
Let's go. Oh.
That was an epic win. Look how did it get there?
It's just like, wee, my dog.
Now
Hey
it's
guys,
the end.
before we leave, I have these super cool cars. They're from Hot Wheels. This is called Shark Bite.
Ooh.
This is called, I don't know,
Wobbly
Shark-
wheels.
Wobbly wheels, because look at this. These wheels are terrible.
Oh yeah.
These are too big for the truck. In the past, I hope we get a big enough truck so we can ride this down. Why does it say that? So we can do this and make it go crazy. And I really like this fire print on it, and I like this ladder. So stay tuned for that.
Oh yeah. And there's one thing which we are really gonna do. We need your help to name this guy. Comment blue for blue fire,
Hashtag blue.
or for waterfall, type in water gang, and we'll see you later.